Supporting hands is an old Qigong exercise, similar to stretching first thing in the morning. It's good for circulation, assists muscle relaxation, and promotes overall health. Stand up straight, soften your knees, and keep your back upright and tailbone down to lengthen the spine. Relax your whole body. Inhale and slowly raise both hands up to about shoulder height. Exhale, relax the shoulders down as if you're resting your hands on a big cloud. Inhale, turn the hands up and imagine as if you're lifting a big cloud all the way up. Then gently press out, lengthening the entire body upwards. Exhale out. Inhale again, and then release with exhalation. Relax the neck and shoulders and soften the body. Pay attention to the sensations inside, especially the neck, shoulders, and down the arms. Repeat the movement slowly, focusing on your breath. Keep the breath soft and tension-free. When you're finished, relax your hands by the side and notice how your body feels. You should feel a pleasant relaxation in the neck and shoulders, down the arms and into the back. Let all the muscles relax and settle comfortably into relaxation.